let me dive straight into YouTube. Okay. Are you enjoying it? कितना मजा आ रहा है आपको?
बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है इसलिए मैं कर रही हूँ. अगर मुझे मज़ा नहीं आता तो मैं नहीं करती. एंड इनफैक्ट इसकी कहानी भी क्वाइट फनी है. मैं एक एजेंसी के साथ थी, मैनेजमेंट एजेंसी के साथ थी, जिन्होंने कहा यू मस्ट जॉइन यूट्यूब, इट्स द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट थिंग एंड यू नो वील हैंडल इट फॉर यू एंड दिस एंड दैट एंड ऑल. एंड आई स्टार्टेड द चैनल अबाउट 2 years back. And I was not involved. वो लोग मेरे से videos लेते थे, just send us anything, we'll create the content, we'll post it and all of that. तो मुझे बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. And I never really took any interest in it and all. Last November is when I said, चलो देखते क्या है ये. You know, and I opened it myself on my own laptop and I saw kind of how the interface works and you know what are the features, क्या कर सकती हूँ इसके साथ. Okay, long content video which I've never done before. तो reels और short मतलब reels में जी रहे हैं आज तक. So I was like, you know, what can I do? And I'm also a private person, so I don't want to put all my life out there. I want to put a part of my life out there, which people already know about, which people love and appreciate. तो मैंने सोचा मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. So I just started browsing, you know, for ideas and this and that. And suddenly one day I was just doing my makeup and I was like, interesting. ये तो रोज करना पड़ता है.
And it comes naturally to you.
एक कैमरा लगा दो and wow, I have content, guys.
Correct.
So it became very easy for me to kind of do that.
Yeah.
And what I started noticing was that people are appreciating how they get to see the real side of you.
Yes.
So for me, it also became like I actually fired my PR because I was like, you know what, I want to project myself as I am. I don't want to be projected as how somebody else sees me or how they want to see me.
Wow.
This is who I am. Take it or leave it. You want to watch, please watch. You don't want to watch, please don't watch.
Yeah.
And I think this is the most authentic way to put it out there, and which is what I'm doing.
Correct. मुझे बताओ कि आप ये बैलेंस कैसे करते हो कि आपको कितना शेयर करना है कितना नहीं. बिकॉज एक ये चीज होती है ना दैट फॉर एक्टर्स पीपल बिलीव दैट देयर शुड आल्सो बी थोड़ी मिस्ट्री अराउंड देम. तो आप वो बैलेंस कैसे करते हो कि मैं इतना शेयर करूं कि मिस्ट्री भी रहे एंड पीपल नो मी आल्सो.
यू नो ऑनेस्टली ये बहुत ही बड़ा डिलेमा था मेरे लिए. तो आई ट्रैवल अ लॉट. तो मैंने बोला आई वांट टू पुट सम स्टफ आउट देयर अबाउट माय ट्रैवल्स बट आई डोंट वांट टू पुट टू मच. तो आई ट्राइड इट आउट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया फॉर लाइक माय हनीमून एंड आई जस्ट रिकॉर्डेड स्टफ एज एंड व्हेन आई फेल्ट लाइक. और जब वो बना इट वाज लाइक अ 13-15 minute का content piece, a vlog which I made. And then I realized that I went for 17 days. Out of 17 days, if I'm putting out 15 minutes, that's not much at all. You know, and that's also only what I want to put out. So yeah, it just, when it doesn't feel like a task, na, and जब वो pressure नहीं होता है कि यही करना है, ये टाइम पे पोस्ट करना है, ये डे पे पोस्ट करना है, तो वो मजेदार लगता है. You know, otherwise it feels like a lot of added pressure, and I don't think as an artist or as a creator also, I don't think anyone should really have that pressure.
Yeah,
because then you lose interest in it.
Exactly, you lose the charm of doing it. Absolutely. Okay, I want to play a fun game with you here, which is if you could invite guests on your YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Who would you for the following?
Okay.
ठीक है. So first, to talk about love and dating.
Love and dating, I'll call Zahir only.
Okay, to do some ज्ञान की बातें.
ज्ञान की बातें. Huma.
Okay, for an episode on motivation.
I can motivate people.
Yeah, solo. Yeah, you don't need anybody.
Yeah.
Okay, mindless yapping.
Mindless yapping. Saqib.
Okay, for a get ready with me.
You know, I actually thought of this, like how Farah goes to people's house to cook. I call her to do makeup with me.
It'll be amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we want that.
Farah, it'll be quite cool.
Sonakshi, yes. Amazing. Okay. To have a deep conversation about life.
Maybe my dad.
Okay.
Yeah. With his life experience.
Yeah. To recreate iconic Bollywood hook steps with.
Ooh. Ranveer.
Oh,
yeah.
Amazing. Vibe. Okay, for a skincare and gossip sesh.
Skincare and gossip sesh, who can I call? Who's got really great skin? Alia. Yeah.
Okay. To discuss fashion and trends.
This should be a stylist, I feel.
Okay.
Yeah, so either Sanam Ratansi, who's also my sister-in-law, or Mohit Rai, who styles me all the time. I think actually, yeah, both of them can come and it'll be a nice chat session with like the three of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a trend that you see has become like an overkill and you're like, yaar, mat karo, bas ho gaya.
That
It's done.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
It was everywhere. And can I tell you something? Like my team from So Easy also got in touch with me. They're like, "Oh my god, you should do that grrr." And I was like,
nails with
I will scratch your eyes out if you tell me to do that trend. No.
But it would have been nice. You would have done grr and you should have shown your nails.
Face, it was I can't. I'm sorry. Like, I can't.
I agree with you. And the last one, to sit and say nothing and yet have the best time. Somebody you can just share silence with.
Zahir.
Yeah.
So my start and end happened with him only. Bas tum hi ho.
But it's hard to believe that both of you can sit quietly.
We can actually, yeah. And that's the beauty of it.
Yeah. I was actually just having a conversation with a friend the other day and we were discussing about love language, okay? And I just, like, whenever I look at you and Zahir together, it's like, I feel like this is what I have thought a relationship should be like, right?
Yeah.
Because you're roasting each other, you're having fun. But I want to ask you, what is that one thing in your relationship? Like every relationship, every couple has that one thing, right?
Yeah.
That's just theirs. क्या है वो आप लोगों के लिए?
There's actually more than one thing, which is why it works so well, and that's why we are together. And honestly, like before I got into this relationship, this is the idea of the relationship in my mind that I always wanted. So I feel like somewhere I manifested it. There's a lot of love, of course. There's a lot of mutual respect. You're always kind of keeping the other person in the highest regard and kind of, not like letting them know that you're number one for me every single day without even trying. I think that just makes it really work.
I had met him in 2019, I think, around Notebook.
Yeah,
Around
that's when
Notebook. And I remember how he started the show. He started like, मैं हूँ ज़हीर और ये है परी और परी परी परी, and then he kept on going.
Yeah. He's got a very infectious energy and he's a lot of fun. So
Yeah. Another aspect that I feel, I think it's such an important part of your life, I'm sure, is female friendships.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
वो कितना ज़रूरी है आपके लिए?
बहुत ही ज़रूरी. Not only for me, for everybody. I think जैसे आप अपने female friends के साथ होते हो, you're not with anybody else, and बहुत सारी चीजें उनके साथ जो share होती है, you can't share with anyone else. And I feel they're the ones who kind of really keep you grounded. हमेशा reality check देते रहते हैं, and they are very important to have in anyone's life. Yeah.
And I think that person feels Huma.
Yes, Huma. There's Vidhi. There's Malvika. There's quite of Sableen. I have so many friends who I can really, really count on, and they always have my back. And that like it's just very important to have that. It's like a safe space, basically.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready for another fun segment?
Always.
Okay, this is called Sona Says.
Okay.
Okay.
That used to be my hashtag.
Yeah.
On Twitter, when I was on Twitter, I used to do Q&A sessions. I used to be like, Sona Says.
Yes, so you're back.
Fab.
So Sona says, what would Sona say to and for the following situations?
Yeah.
Okay. To people who abuse women online.
अपनी माँ से जाके बात कर. Yeah. Like respect starts at home. And if you can't talk to your mother like that, you shouldn't be speaking to any other woman like that.
Yeah. You are on, do you see your YouTube comments? आप देखते हो?
Yes, I do.
Fairly good?
Oh my God, thank you for bringing this up, because it's the least toxic social media platform that I've witnessed, and I left Twitter because it was disgustingly toxic. Instagram is headed that way. YouTube is just so positive.
Yeah.
Like 500 comments, you'll find like 2 people being random, and they're also not like abusive. Like, they're like normal rude. Maybe.
Or like not liking something.
ठीक है, it's their opinion, which is also fine. But like it's I love the fact that the community is so respectful and they're actually really nice. So I think that's also another reason why I'm really enjoying it.
Yes. Yeah, because you're right. Social media has become a little...
Yeah, not
like,
a little, a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
And especially for women, there's no safety online.
Correct. And there's no regulations. There's no there's actually no one regulating it. You know, and लोगों को ऐसे लगता है ना कि पूरी छूट मिल गई है, आप जो कहना चाहते हो आप कह सकते हो. Either I feel social media etiquette needs to be taught, or like the platforms need to have a more strict form of monitoring this, especially for the betterment of, like, you know, women online. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.